In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in ClickUp. Linking tasks is a simple way to show how work connects across your workspace. It helps your team see context, avoid duplicate efforts, and understand which items are related without changing due dates or creating strict dependencies. Let's walk through it together so you can do it confidently every time. Start by heading to the overview of your team space inside your workspace. This is the hub that gives you a broad look at what's happening. If you work in multiple spaces, make sure you're in the right one so the lists and tasks you expect are available. From here, find and open the list you're working in. Opening the list ensures you're looking at the correct set of tasks and keeps things organized if you're linking items within the same project or folder. Next, open the specific task you want to link from. Think of this as your starting point or source task, the one where you want the related item to appear. When the task details panel opens, look for the option to add more actions. Depending on your layout, this could appear as a plus icon, a more menu, or a button labeled Add Link. Click that to reveal linking options. Choose Link Task. This tells ClickUp you want to create a relationship with another task in your workspace rather than linking an external URL. A search or selection window will appear. Use the search bar to quickly find the task you want to connect to by name or browse through recent items if it's something you've worked on lately. Precision helps here, so type enough of the task title to narrow the list. And double check you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have similar task names across multiple lists. Click the desired task to complete the link. As soon as you select it, ClickUp creates a two-way relationship, so both tasks will show the link. You'll see the connected task appear in the task details, usually in a links or relationships section. This visual cue confirms the connection worked. If you're collaborating with others, this is also where teammates will quickly spot related work without digging through lists. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Use clear, consistent task names so they're easy to find in search, and make sure you have access to the list where the other task lives. Permissions can limit what appears. That's it, your tasks are now linked, adding valuable context to your project without extra clutter.